Hi, Pretty Bird flock. It's Pretty Bird, the pet goose. And we figured we'd make a real quick video at the end of her bath here because Pretty Bird wanted to tell pet goose George happy birthday. Right, Pretty Bird? Can you tell George? She's like, wait, I thought we're doing this after the bath. I was getting ready. It's okay, Pretty. It's in your name. You're already pretty. What are you doing? Are you playing? Anyways, Pretty Bird is doing well. And we saw that George's birthday was recently, so we wanted to just say real quick, Pretty Bird, are you ready? Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear George. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Pretty Bird! Yay! Pretty, can you say yay? Happy birthday, George! Happy birthday, George! Pretty Bird's been watching George since she was a gosling. She loves his videos. She enjoys them very much. And I really do believe that she recognizes him as like part of the flock or something, or as like a familiar face. Yay, George! Yeah, you did a big bird for George, huh? Did you do a big bird for George? Oh, that was so nice of you. Good bird. Yeah, good bird. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Say we love you, George. We hope you had a fun birthday. Now you're 4 years old, which means you are 3 years older than Pretty Bird. Yes, he is. He's 3 years older than you. And his birthday is close to yours. Yeah, it's only like a little over a month after. Pretty Bird's birthday was on April 16th. Yeah. Isn't that fun, Pretty, pretty? Alrighty, y'all. We just wanted to wish Pet Goose George, which is a channel you guys can check out. His daddy's name is Bob. And George is a very adorable white Chinese pet goose who is just an absolute sweetheart. Right, Pretty Bird? Right, Pretty Bird? Yeah, you like George too. Maybe one day you'll get to meet him. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, Big Bird. All right. Pretty Bird's all down with her bath. She wants out. And because she's a spoiled goose, she wants me to pick her up. Even though she jumps into the tub all by herself. You are so cute when you do that. She wants me to pick her up to take her out. Because that's just the way it's been her whole life. Right, Pretty Pretty? All right, Pretty Bird. Can you tell everybody? Say, don't forget that we always appreciate all the likes and the questions. And when people share the videos with their friends or family. And of course, we super duper appreciate it when people subscribe to the channel because they want to keep seeing you, right? Yeah. Good girl. Oh, shake, shake. All right, Pretty, pretty. Say bye, everybody. Say bye-bye. And Pretty Bird just had some kale earlier. She needs to brush her teeth. Y'all see that? She's got green teeth. Do you have green teeth? Uh-oh, Pretty Bird's getting shaky. She's getting cold because she's a spoiled goose. And the water's warm, by the way. And it's not cold in this house. But, you know, she is spoiled. She's lived her whole life in perfect temperatures. And with lots of love. All right, Pretty Bird. Say bye-bye. Say we love y'all. Say love you, George. What do you mean, no? Are you embarrassed? She's like, stop it, Mom. Don't tell him I like him. Say love you, George. Bye-bye.